one time, Kenyans had a lot of respect for the judiciary, especially after the appointment of the Chief Justice and the subsequent reforms.
However, in the wake of the developments in this saga and the claims by both the Chief Registrar and the JSC, we would like to know if you still have confidence in the judiciary. Do you still have confidence in the judiciary? That is the question we are asking tonight.
Tell us what you think. The SMS line as well, as always, is 22155. You can also tell us what you think via Twitter at Linda Ogutu, at Ben_Gitili, and at KTN Kenya.
Right, let's focus on the cases at the International Criminal Court. The joint case against Deputy President William Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang at the ICC continued today. The sessions, as a precaution to the witnesses, were conducted in private, but the chatter about town focused on Walter Barasa. And as KTN's Edith Kimani reports, the arrest warrant issued against him is more than a personal issue.
As early as August this year, a resolute Walter Barasa spoke out against the International Criminal Court and, at the time, his unsealed warrant of arrest.
I'm ready to defend myself, but I'm not ready for somebody to come put words into my mouth.
These are serious issues that we consider.
2 months later, the now unsealed arrest warrant is proving to be much more than a personal matter.
Rise, veuillez vous lever.
Barasa's involvement with the ICC will be a test of how far Kenya is willing to bend to cooperate with the Hague-based court. But there are those who say it is all too clear what is now required, both of Kenya and Barasa. Maria Kamara, an outreach coordinator of the ICC, is one of them.
Kenya is a state party to the Rome Statute. Another international law, it has the obligation as a state party to the Rome Statute to fully cooperate with the court in all its obligations, part of which is the arrest and surrender of suspects that are wanted by the court.
But there is a catch: Kenya's domestic laws. The International Crimes Act not only gives the High Court the power to determine if the warrant will be enforced, but it also gives Barasa a chance to make representations in court. In fact, Section 30 of the Act also allows for the cancellation of the warrant altogether.
Be seated, veuillez vous asseoir.
On the surface, it would appear that Kenya has a number of options, but lawyers warn that Kenya cannot afford to rush into making a decision. Critics of the ICC argue that the arrest warrant could be a strategy by Bensouda's office to deliberately place the country in a situation where cooperation is unlikely, something, according to the critics, Bensouda could play to her advantage in the ongoing cases. Whichever road Kenya takes, Barasa appears unshaken. His position 2 months ago was that he is innocent, and in his latest statement, that position has not changed. Edith Kimani, KTN Prime.